What's up, guys? It's your girl Tiff. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. I want to jump right into this look today. I'm doing a little glittery, sultry, well, not glittery, but a little sultry eye for you guys, and I want you guys to see how I do it. So if you want to see this video, you already know what to do. Continue watching, but most important step, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, okay? So let's jump right into it. You see my brows are already done, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put some concealer all over my eyelid to go ahead and mute that out. And I'm using the NARS Monday, the Radiant Cream Concealer. And I'm just using a regular fluffy blending brush to mute out the eye. So today I'm going to be using the Morphe palette. I don't even know. Okay, this is the 350M. I have not used this palette in forever. And this is just, you know, the nice palette with the neutrals and new colors. So, let's see if I can remember. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and create like a dark color on the outer V of my eye. I'm going to be going in between this brown right here and this brown right here. So basically these two browns we're going to mix and create that depth and darkness and smokiness in the eye. Next, I'm going to go in with this orange shade here. I'm actually going to, it's like a burgundy. I'm going to be going in with a combination of these two colors right here and this orange right here, just to give it, warm it up a little bit around the outer corner of that V. See? I'm just literally going, it's like tracing, you guys. I'm tracing. You'll see it's already going to give it some color. Boom. Ooh. And then I'm going to go back in with that darker brown, just because I'm looking, just to bring it up a little bit more. And you guys can definitely use a more precision brush so that you don't take it too far in, but I'm just going in lightly because I want to bring it to at least this top part of the crease. And of course I'm going to go back in with that mixture of oranges and bring that up a little bit too. Okay, so I'm going to bring that in a little bit too. So now we're going to cut the crease. I'm using the P. Louise base in #1. Boom. Have not used this, I don't know, it may be a year. The MAC 242 brush, I'm going to use that to apply the base to my eye. And I gotta be quiet, so, because I'm gonna mess it up. So I start, you know what, I'm gonna do a voiceover for this part because I don't want to mess it up talking to y'all. Once I have the crease cut, I'm going to go in with the MAC 234 blending brush and kind of just tap it to make sure that that base is blended and not just like, you know, a mess. So, and this step is optional, you guys. I just think it helps to blend out the product better. Now I'm gonna go back in with this no name brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of that darker brown and blend it on the outskirts of the crease. See? Blend that so that it can have a nice little transition. So what I'm gonna be using for my lid is I'm using the Stila Rose Gold Retro. I'm gonna be using that, and I'm going in with the MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid. This is in the color Love Yourself. So these are the two shades that are going on my lid. Alright guys, so you know that saying shit happens. Shit happens. So I had two of the Stilas on my I had two of the Stilas sitting on my desk, and I picked up the wrong one when I decided to do eye number 2. So, okay, we have to mute that. So you may see a slight difference. I had wiped the eye off. I had wiped the entire eye off camera and started back, but I don't know, I think I just grabbed, I had them on the back of my hand and they're so close in shade. There's Bronze Belle and there's Rose Gold Retro, and plain blank I grabbed the wrong one. So if you guys see a slight difference in this eye from that eye, it is what it is. We're gonna keep rocking. This second eye this second eye is basically like a fail, but we're just gonna keep moving, and I mean, that's all I can say. See? So I just had to jump right into my foundation. I made my eye work as best I can. I threw on some liner and lashes, and I'm just doing my typical foundation routine. Nothing changed with this. I'm using my NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm going in with the Too Faced concealer. This is in Chai, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face, and I'm going to go in with my lovely Fenty Beauty matchstick, and I'm also going to contour. I'm going to set that highlighter with the Juvia's Place powder. This is in the shade Kalahari. I have been using Gobi for a while because I didn't have this one, but I had just got this in a recent haul, and that is what I'm going to use to set my face. And of course, to set my face, I'm going in with my Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. This is in Deep Dark. I use this in every single video. Doesn't change. Just gonna set my face with that, and then I'm gonna go in with highlighter. I think I went in with the Jackie Aina La Peach. I'm almost positive I used Jackie Aina La Peach for this. Just gonna do a soft, subtle highlight. You know, I'm not too crazy to go overboard, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna move on to lips, and yeah, we're gonna get this together. No, we're gonna move on to eyes. So because I thought this look was kind of just like I went into the Anastasia Norvina palette and I pulled out that hot pink, and I just wanted some color, you guys. I just wanted some color. So I'm gonna put that hot pink underneath my eyes, and I think that really added a little bit something different to this look. I'm just using a NYX NYX pencil. I think this is just regular brown shade to line my lips, and I'm gonna go in with the MAC. I think I used Blankety. I'm not 100% sure, but I will have it listed below. I'm gonna go ahead and get my lips together, and I'm going in with MAC's Lip Glass in Bow. This is such a oldie, y'all. It's an oldie. I forgot I had it, but that is gonna complete the look. Of course, I'm gonna set the face, and then bam. This is our look. We pulled it off. Yes, I can clearly see that my eyelids are 2 different shades, but I made it work. I hope you guys like this, and if you did, you already know what I'm gonna say. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.